Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to take nursing school exams. Begin by understanding the specific format of your exams, including the number of questions and time allotted. Develop a consistent study schedule, dedicating at least 2 to 3 hours daily to active learning. Focus on comprehending complex concepts rather than rote memorization, and practice applying theoretical knowledge to clinical scenarios. A positive mindset is crucial for success. During the exam, read each question and all answer choices thoroughly before selecting. Eliminate 2 obviously incorrect options first, increasing your chances of choosing the right one. Prioritize patient safety and the nursing process when making decisions. Manage your time wisely, perhaps allocating 1 minute per question, and trust your initial, well-reasoned instinct. Flag challenging questions to revisit later if time permits. Mastering different question formats is key. For priority questions, apply principles like ABCs, airway, breathing, circulation, and Maslow's hierarchy of needs. When tackling select all that apply questions, treat each option as a true or false statement independently. Analyze case studies by identifying the core problem and relevant patient data. This systematic approach builds the critical thinking essential for nursing practice. After each exam, dedicate time to review your performance. Analyze every incorrect answer to understand why it was wrong and identify specific knowledge gaps. Adjust your study methods based on these insights, perhaps focusing more on pharmacology or pathophysiology. Seek constructive feedback from your instructors. They can offer invaluable guidance. This continuous improvement cycle is vital for long-term academic and professional success.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.